Many secondary roads remain covered in ice, and local school divisions don't feel confident they can get children to the buildings safely. That, combined with several days off, has led many districts to begin online instruction. District leaders say they realize this can be inconvenient for both students and parents, and while they don't have a set return date yet, they say they are hoping to return in person soon. In the meantime, superintendents are asking families to remain engaged during this time of virtual learning.
We're really are encouraging not to rely too much on those devices, the smartphones and social media, try to keep kids off of that, and to instead do some things that are actually healthy and productive. So beyond, getting some exercise as best you can, reading together as a family.
With more snow potentially in the forecast across central and southwestern Virginia, local school districts are continuing to monitor the situation and hope to make the call for next week soon. Fortunately, the divisions I talked to say they don't have to schedule any makeup days yet. Reporting in Roanoke County, Michael Doty, WFXR News.